Epic Systems Tutorial, Epic Healthcare EHR Guide. So first of all, before doing this explanation or kind of guide for this Epic software, this is widely just used as an electronic health record. So a platform used by hospitals and healthcare organizations to manage patient records, appointments, billings, and clinical workflows. So to begin, you can go ahead and open up your preferred browser and just search for Epic Systems. And you can open up the first thing that shows up, which is this website over here. This is their official website. Now, there's a lot of options you can take, but we're mainly going to focus on the Epic software. So if you want to go ahead and use this, you can go ahead and typically log into their organization's secure portal. And then once you've done that, you can access modules such as your patient charts. You have lots of information about here like convenient care and other kinds of things that is related to medical. You can search up like a standalone kind of medical. Let's say you want for a dentist. So you can go ahead and learn more for that. You have the dental, you got urology, but pretty much depends on what you're looking for. Now this is of course legitimate information if you want to learn more about that specific part, but if you want to know more about them, there is this section over here that is the About Us section. You can take a look. You can even contact them if you'd like. But other than that, they even have the during daily workflows. They even have the daily workflows as providers use Epic to schedule your appointments, enter physician orders, prescribe medications, and even communicate with the other departments. The system also integrates with laboratory and imaging systems to test results and automatically appear in a patient's record. Staff can generate those reports, manage billing information, and track patient care from admission to discharge. Overall, Epic does help with the healthcare organizations that can centralize patient data and streamline clinical and administrative processes with a secure digital environment. But if you want to go ahead and learn more, the website is free to access. You can take a look at most of their features, but that is the general idea on what Epic software over here is. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.